Hi kids, welcome to my class. Today we will learn the sound O. Sound of O is O, O, O. Okay, take your phonics book and go to page number 19. Sound O. Trace on the dots and say aloud the sound. So what is this picture? It is top. So what is the sound of T? Ta. Sound of O, O. Sound of P, P. Top. Okay? Top. Top. This is a cot. Ka, O, T. Cot. Ka-ot. Cot. This is a boy. B, O, Oi. Y. Oi. Boy. Oi. Boy. This is log. La, O, G. Log. La, O, G. Log. This is fox. F, O, X. Fox. F, O, X. Fox. This is mop. M, O, P. Mop. M, O, P. Mop. Turn the page. You have to write the O sound. What is this? This is pot. So you have to write P, T. Pot. This is rod. R, od. D. Rod. This is toy. T, oi. Toy. This is hot. H, ot. Hot. This is dog. D, og. Dog. I hope you understood, kids. Thank you.